In this video, I'm going to show you how to find the number of each particle in an atom and how to draw the Bohr Rutherford model. I'm going to do this using two examples. The first example is going to be to find that for nitrogen. First of all, you need to have a periodic table. Look for the legend on the periodic table, which will tell you where the atomic number is and where the atomic mass is. These are the two most important pieces of information you will get from your periodic table. So we'll look at nitrogen now. Okay, nitrogen's right here. It is number 7, which means that its atomic number is number 7, and its atomic mass is 14. So I've already got a piece of paper set up for us to have this kind of sit on here. So we've got the atomic number is 7, the atomic mass is 14. So from this and the notes that I've given you previous, okay, we know that the number of protons is the same as the atomic number. That's what the atomic number tells us. And then the number of electrons is the same as the number of protons because every atom is electrically neutral. In order to find the number of neutrons, you take the atomic mass and you subtract the number of protons. In an atom, the electrons basically weigh nothing, so the whole mass is made up of protons and neutrons. So the mass minus the protons will give you the neutrons. So in this case here, we have all three particles are the same. That is not always the case, but in this case it is. In order to draw the Bohr Rutherford model, what you do is you put the symbol in the center, and then you write the number of protons, the number of neutrons, and put a circle around it. Circle represents the first ring of electrons. Okay, in the first ring it holds 2 electrons. So if you have more than 2, we're going to put 2 in the first ring. Then we draw another ring. The first ring only holds 2, which you'll learn more in future chemistry. For now, just know it only holds 2. The next ring holds up to 8. Okay, we only have 5 left. 7 minus 2 is 5. So we're going to put 5 in this next ring. The way I like to do it is you go around like that, and then you start to double up. Okay, so your electron configuration for nitrogen is going to be 2, 5. We'll do the same for chlorine. So if you look on here, chlorine has an atomic number of 17 and 35.5 is the mass. Now we can round up to 35 or up to 36 or 35. It doesn't really matter. You'll learn about isotopes in a bit here, okay? And you'll realize that they're just 2 isotopes of each other. So if we go back to get the number of protons and electrons, it's going to be the same, 17 and 17. Okay, remember protons is the same as the atomic number. Electrons is the same as the protons. And then let's round this up to 36. So we're going to get 36 minus 17 is going to be 19 neutrons. Okay? And then after we get our 3 particles, then we just have to draw our Bohr Rutherford model. So we put chlorine in the center, 17 protons, 19 neutrons, and a ring around it. Okay? Now we have 17 electrons to place, definitely more than 2, so 2 goes in that. 17 minus 2 is 15. 15 is greater than 8. So we're going to put 8 in the second one. I like to pair them up like so, just so it's easier to see that there's 8. 2 plus 8 is 10. So 17 minus 10 is 7. So this last ring will have 7 electrons. Okay, for a configuration of 287. I hope this helps in you figuring out how to do the Bohr Rutherford models and the number of particles in each. If you don't have some questions, send me an email. Thank you. Bye.